Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have another box from the company Shenzhen, Tianya. They're a paper product company, and they are in China, and they make beautiful boxes and packaging for all types of wonderful products. For your product, if you have anything to sell, they're looking to make boxes for you. They produce over 2,200 styles of boxes, and they work with you to design what you're interested in for your product. You have many boxes that you get chocolates in, and other kinds of candies, and jewelry, watches, so many things, electronics. They have designed those boxes and produced those boxes. They are a worldwide company, and they have just a huge array of raw materials to use, and they have a ton of samples to see. Their website is Tianya, and that's the word Tianya, and I'll have all that in the description if you'd like to go see. If you have a little company on Ipsy or eBay or something like that, and you want a package for your homemade jewelry or other things that you make, this is a perfect company to talk to. They are very helpful, and like I said, they are world-renowned, and they are available to anybody around the world. They have a multi-trained salesman team, and they use high-quality machinery to make products, and they, like I said, they have many different raw materials, and more than 80% of their products are exported out of China. And they have customers in 47 different industries and 61 countries and regions. And I have seen boxes with watches and jewelry and, like I said, chocolates. We've seen a lot of the boxes with the chocolates. We've seen bath products. They're just beautiful. Today they sent me a box with jewelry. So this is the box. It's a very well crafted box. This is the kind of box that you can keep after you use the product, after you have the product out of it, or you could keep the product in here to keep it safe. It's just a really well crafted, nice quality box. So you can see this has the product name on it, and they will work with you on that type of thing. Here is the lid of it. It's just very well crafted. You don't really see boxes made this well anymore. A lot of boxes are just more flimsy. These are very well crafted boxes. This is the product that's in here, is in this sack. I'll show you that in a moment if you'd like to see what the product is. This box comes with some information about the product. And then here's the base of the box, also very well crafted. This is cardboard, and I'm pushing on it really hard, and it's not breaking. It's a very well crafted box. And like I said, when you go to their website, the website actually says Tianya, but it's Shenzhen Tianya. And they're just super nice people to deal with. As you see, you've probably seen several videos on YouTube about it and things on Instagram about these boxes, because they're just so easy to work with, and you know, they're just nice to talk to and easy to work with. So I just think that if you have any products that you're interested in selling, they would do beautiful in their boxes. And this also has a little it's like a wax paper, very nice little bag that it comes with their initial of the product. And this is jewelry. Let me show you what they sent me. These are just beautiful. But, you know, their boxes can showcase designer jewelry and also costume jewelry, which is what I got, costume jewelry. But look at how gorgeous they are. You know, they look like designer jewelry. These are both tennis bracelets. They look like they're diamonds, and one is gold and one is silver. And like I said, the ones I got are not true gold and true silver and diamonds. Wouldn't that be nice? But but they're just gorgeous, and what a beautiful gift to receive. These two come together, and they're protected in this little Ziploc bag, and then they're in this gorgeous box. And I'm just going to lay them in the box right now so you can see the box itself. And it's just a very nice solid box. It doesn't get crushed in shipping or anything. See how nice that is? So it's a box that you'll enjoy for your products if you're interested. And again, Shenzhen, Tianya. And I'll have all their information below. And I'll also have the link for these bracelets if you're interested in them as well. They are, you can purchase them on Amazon. That is my video. And thank you for stopping by to see these beautiful boxes and bracelets. And count your blessings, y'all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.